In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Uber Bike Driver app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly make deliveries using a bike. One thing that I want to make very clear is that there isn't a separate app for Uber bike drivers. The same Uber driver app is used for drivers in cars, bikers, and deliveries. So all that you have to do is open the app, and of course I'm going to assume that you have already gone through the registration process. If you haven't, the option is also going to be available there. The app is going to automatically adjust based on the type of service that you signed up for. So when you go through the registration process for the first time, you will get the ability to sign up using a bike as your preferred delivery method. So the actual instructions to use the application is first going online. So open the latest version of the app, and on the home screen, you will see the Go button to signal that you are available for rides. Once you are online, notifications or trip requests are going to start appearing. Your phone will make a sound or notifications to alert you of the new requests. The app will show you the pickup location, drop-off location, and the estimated fare for the ride. You can either accept or decline the ride request. In this video, I'm not going to go over details on how to determine if a ride is going to be worth your time. This is usually something that you do through experience and tips that other people have who are more experienced in making deliveries. And for the actual navigation process, the app provides turn-by-turn navigation to help you find the rider and their destination. There is going to be a specific option for bike navigation that avoids highways, tunnels, and bridges, and you can contact whoever you need during the ride. After you are done with the ride, you provide a picture that it has been properly delivered and you send a message. You will be able to see your earnings after each trip and track your progress towards your earning goals. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Bike Uber Driver app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.